Included with your order will be 1 U-shaped mattress frame, 1 U-shaped support hand frame, 2 L-shaped base frames, 2 pre-installed leg extensions, 2 locking pins. There are no tools required to assemble your bed rail. Step 1, remove the locking pins from the L-shaped frames by pressing in the metal pin until the piece comes free. Step 2, fit the L-shaped frames over each end of the support handrail. Reinsert the locking pins to fasten the rail down. Step 3, if needed, adjust the height on each leg extension at the bottom of the L-shaped frame and fasten with the brass locking buttons. Step 4, attach the U-shaped mattress frame to the L-shaped frames and extend to your desired length. Step 5, lift your mattress and slide the U-shaped mattress frame underneath until the handrail is in place against the side of your bed. Congratulations on assembling your bed rail. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.